Woodpeckers stainless steel precision woodworking squares, guaranteed accuracy and user-friendly features combine to create the best woodworking squares on the market. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and see how they're made. In our shop, a high-powered laser cuts the blades out of 10-foot sheets of stainless steel. The blades are then cleaned up to remove any burrs left over from the laser cut. Next, the parts are secured to a CNC mill, and the edges of the blade are precision milled. While the blades are being machined, representative samples are periodically checked on our video optics inspection system. When the parts pass inspection, they are given our proprietary satin finish. Next, the blades are precision engraved with scale markings. Now let's look at how we make the cheeks. The two aluminum cheeks of the handle are machined on a CNC mill. After milling, the parts are inspected by the operator. The handles are anodized with our distinctive Woodpeckers red and laser engraved with our brand graphics. They then head to our assembly department where they are assembled, packaged, and shipped directly to your shop. Like all Woodpeckers products, the stainless steel precision squares are precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Whether you're laying out a project, setting up a machine, or checking assembly, these squares have you covered. Order your Woodpeckers stainless steel precision woodworking squares today.